Good morning, standard 10 students. Today, some question I will solve from probability. Then this chapter is over. From next class, I will start the new chapter, maybe the arithmetic progressions. Okay, geometrical progression is already removed from your syllabus this year. So, last class I explained you about the playing cards. So, playing cards having 52 cards total. Diamond, diamond, heart, spade, color. These are red in color. This is also red in color. This is black, and this is also black. Okay, and all contain 13 cards. This is also 13 cards. This is also contain 13 cards. This also contain 30 cards. So 34 are 54. So total cards is 52. Out of total card, ace means which we say ekka in Hindi. Present in each card. Then king. Present in each card 1-1. Then queen. Present in each card 1-1. Then jack. Also present in one card each one. Jack is joker. These are the cards. Now, related to this one is face is made on these three: king, queen, and jack. That's why it is also known as face card. Right. Now to solve the question. First question: from the pack of 52 playing cards, the black faces cards are removed. Black cards are removed. Now the cards are reshuffled and then a card is drawn from the remaining pack of the card. Find the probability that the card is a black card. So how face card are removed? Which card? Face card of black color is removed. So how many these three are the face card? So in black, how many face cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 face card in black color, that is removed. So when we remove from total card 52 minus 6, how many card will be left? 46. 46 card is left after removing black face cards. Now the question. Now the cards are after that the cards are reshuffled. Then a card is drawn from the remaining pack of the cards. Find the probability that the card is a black card. So all together, a spade 13 card, color 13 card, 8. So from 13 card, total card is 26. 13, 13, 26. Out of 26, 6 face black card is removed. So 6 face black card is removed. So how many left? Black card left. Black cards 20. After removing the 6 face black card from the total black card, the total black card is spade 13, color 13, 13, 13, 26. Out of 26, after removing 6, only 20 black card is left. Then you have to find the probability that the card is a black card. What is the probability? Total card is left 46. Black card is 20. What is the probability? Probability of black card. Black card will be 20 by 46. Total remaining 20 black card and total card is 26. It means 10 by 23 is the answer of the first part. Second question, a king. 2 king from the black, 1 from a spade, 1 from the color. So only 2 king is left in the red. one in heart and one in diamonds. So after minusing the two card, already removed black to king. So total king is 4 in all card, in diamond, heart, club, spade. So out of 4, 2 of the black is removed. So how many left? Only 2 is left. So we have to find a king. The probability of king is equal to total left 2 by total card. Total card already we have 46 after minusing 6 black face card. 46, that is 1 by 23 is the probability. Of course you have to write probability of the king is equal to favorable outcome by total outcome. In each question again and again I am reminding you, otherwise you will miss the marks. Third question, an ace is not removed. So how many ace? In each card ace, one ace is there. So total ace is 4. So probability of ace card will be, total ace card is 4 by total card 46. So 2 by 23. Answer probability 2 by 23. Next, a spade card. A spade total card is 13. Out of 13, a spade means black. So a spade with black one, 13 total cards, out of which 3 of the black face card is removed. So a spade, how many card is left? 13 total, 3 of the face card is removed, so 10 is left. So what is the probability of the spade card? The spade card 10 by total card 46, that is 5 by 23. 5 by 23 is the probability of this question. So this type of question from the playing cards are there. 8. One more questions. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is a spade. 52 cards in a playing card. A spade. A spade, how many spade cards are there? 13. So what is the probability? 13 by a total number of cards is 52. So 13 by 52 means what by 4? A red card. The red card, diamond and heart, both have the red in color. Diamond also 13, heart also 13. So altogether there are 26 red card. So what is the probability of getting the red card? 26 by 52. A face card. Next question, a face card. A face card, how many face cards in 52 cards? 12. So 12 is the face card. So what is the probability of getting the face card? So 12 by 52, total card is 52. 5 of heart or diamond. Is it 5 of heart? Number 5. So number 5 of heart 1, and in diamond also 1. So total 2 by 52. 8 or is there, so both you have to take. And means only common value. Or means both 5 of heart or diamond or given. So 1 5 from the heart and 1 5 from the diamond. So altogether 2 by 52. Jack or king. Jack in all the 52 cards is 4 and queen also 4. So total number or is given, so we will consider both. So Jack 4 and Queen 4 means total 8. 8 by 52. 6. Ace and King. Ace means a card in which A is written on the playing cards. So 4 Ace and King. King is also same. 8. So this type of question based on the playing cards. 8. So today as a homework you complete this chapter Tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, no class is there. In these 2 days, you complete this exercise. From Monday onward, I will start new chapter, that is arithmetic progression. Thank you very much.